A complex number is any number that can be written in the form a plus bi, where both a and b are elements of the real numbers. For example, let's determine if either of these are complex numbers. Since -1 is a real number, and +2 is also an element of the real numbers, what we have here is a real number plus or minus a real number multiple of I, which means that yes, it's a complex number. And the symbol for the set of complex numbers is a capital C with a line through it. To say whether or not part B is a complex number, we'll look at the first term. Let's recall that pi is a real number. It's not rational, but it's real. Rad 2 is also a real number. It's an irrational number, but it is a real number. And so what we have here is a real number plus a real number multiple of I, and therefore, yes, this number is also complex. And this time, let's use the symbol for the set of complex numbers. For parts C and D, let's recall the definition of a complex number, which is any number that can be written as a real number plus some real number multiple of I. And let's emphasize the word can, which means that when we're looking at the number -12i, we can write this number as 0 minus 12i. And since 0 is a real number, and -12 is also a real number, we would say then that yes, this number is also complex. For part D, let's again remember that 247 can be written as 247 plus 0 times I. And from this perspective, it's easier to see that what we have here is a real number plus a real number multiple of I, which means that this value is also a complex number. Let's then notice that any real number can be written as that real number plus 0 times I, so any real number is also complex, which means that the set of real numbers is entirely contained in the set of complex numbers, and this symbol means is entirely contained in.